If you're new here, welcome, and if you're old, my name is Alina, and this is my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be installing this curly wig. This 5x5 human hair wig I'm having. This is a water wave coily wig in 28-inch. The lace is pre-plugged, bleach. This is a HD transparent lace. The hair is so soft, you know. So today's style is gonna be really easy, so easy. But before that, I'm gonna cut this off really quick off camera, and I'll get back to you all. So that is done. You can see right there. So right now I'm going to put this wig cap on because I just braided this hair a few days ago and I don't want the comb to mess it up, you know. My heart when the comb on the wig gets stuck on the hair, so I don't want anything to pull out some tiny hairs out, because you know the hair is already neat and I don't want anything to mess it up for now. So that's the only reason why I'm putting this on, because normally I don't like putting caps like this, especially when it comes for the bulb method. I do not like it, but this one is okay because I can easily put it out and put it back in if I really want to. So let's get into this. I'm going to be using these today. These are my lot of buttermilks today, just these two. guys, this hair is done for today. I didn't do that much of baby hairs in it because I don't like it when it's too, too much in it. But as you can see, it's still okay. This is how I like it myself. And this hair is a water wave human hair wig and 150 density, 28 inch, sorry, 28 inch. And like I said earlier, it came pre-plucked, so soft, and everything was ready to go. This hair didn't take me like 2 hours, under an hour or so. That's where I got it done. But this is how it came out and it looked like. I really love it. If you really don't want your hair to like be fluffy or puffed out, something like that, make sure you don't use your comb when you style with the mousse. Just use only your hand, so that way the curls last longer and they get more intact together, as you can see. Well, this time came out looking cute. 5x5 is a really nice wig. With 4x4 is something easy to style and to go. This is not a glueless hair wig, but you can still make it a glueless hair wig. Which I can do is put on some strap from here to here and like make it more snug, and tight to fit that way. But everything came out cute on this hair, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description below, so go check it out and see how it looks like. Cause oh god, it's cute. Okay, the hair is beautiful. I love the texture. I love everything. It doesn't stink. The hair is actually full, not so heavy. 180 density is nice on this one. So definitely go check it out, you guys, and I'll catch you on my next video. But don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, or follow me on my Facebook page or my YouTube channel, so you can see more videos coming out and you don't miss any, and also hair reviews and all that. So for now, I'm gonna catch you on my next video, you guys. Take care and bye.